having just y power n like that. So, but here it is, if you observe that cos square y. So, as per the procedure, first you need to divide this entire equation with the given differential equation. So, write in the solution. First, the given differential equation will write as this, and next dividing throughout by cos square y. So we are dividing the entire equation with cos square y. Then what we'll get? The given differential equation is converted into 1 by cos square y dy by dx plus x sine 2y by cos square y is equal x cube cos square y by cos square y. Cos square y by cos square y. Here it is, these two cancel. And next, so 1 by cos square is nothing but simply what we can write, secant square y dy by dx is equal plus, and next x into sine 2y is nothing but, so which formula we can write, 2 sine y cos y by cos square y. 2 sine y cos y by cos square y is equal x cube. So here it is, one cos and one cos both will cancel. And then what about remaining one? Secant square y dy by dx plus 2 is a constant. Simply we can write inside of that one. So 2x into, here it is, if you observe that after cancellation of cos 1 as well as cos here, what about remaining in the denominator? Cos is the remaining one. So sin y by cos y is nothing but simply what we can write, tan y is equal x cube. Okay, now this is looking like as a Bernoulli's one. Now we have to take the assumption, put tan y is equal t or z. Put tan y is equal t. If you want, you can choose that as z. So z you can choose. Tan y is equal to z. Then differentiating on both sides. Differentiating on both sides. So if you differentiate this one, what will get? So tan y derivative is nothing but secant square y dy by dx is equal dz by dx. Tan y derivative is secant square y dy by dx is equal dz by dx. Now you can substitute all these things in this equation. Then it converts into secant square y dy by dx is nothing but what we can write, dz by dx plus 2x into, and this is tan y which chosen as z. So 2xz is equal x cube. So dz by dx plus 2xz is equal x cube. So then is this in the form of linear equation or not? So let it be taken as equation 1. So equation 1 is a Leibniz's linear equation in terms of z, and it is of the form dz by dx plus p of x into z is equal to q of x. So where p of x is equal to 2x and q of x is nothing but x cube, and you can follow the procedure now. What about integrating factor here? So integrating factor is nothing but what we are choosing, e power integral p of x dx. E power integral p of x dx. So this is equal to e power integral p of x is nothing but here it is 2x dx. So this is equal e power 2 is a constant and integral x is nothing but x square by 2. So here it is 2 both will cancel, and then what will get, e power x square. So this is the integrating factor. Now we have to write the general solution for this. So the general solution is, what about general solution? Here it is. The general solution is z is into integrating factor. So z into integrating factor is e power x square is equal integral q of x is nothing but x cube into e power x square dx plus c. And now z into e power x square, and we have to simplify this one. So for simplification, how can you write this one? So z into e power x square as this. Can you write this one as, here it is X cube we are writing as x square into e power x square into x dx plus c. So x cube is nothing but x square into x we wrote. Now we need to apply integration for this. So for that, put x square is equal to t. Put x square is equal to t. So differentiating on both sides. So if you differentiate that one, then what we'll get? 2x dx is equal dt. And then x dx is equal simply what we can write? Dt by 2. And now you can substitute here z into e power x square is equal. So here it is simply x square is nothing but t and e power t and x dx is nothing but dt by 2 plus constant. So here it is 1 by 2 is a constant. Already we applied t e power t integration is nothing but by applying by parts t e power t minus c power t plus constant. And then z e power x square is equal. Here it is t is nothing but e power x square. You can take that one as common. And then what we'll get? 1 by 2 into. So t is nothing but x square minus 1 plus c into e power minus x square after taking e power x square as common. So these two cancel. And then finally z is nothing but what we chosen, tan y. So tan y is equal 1 by 2 into x square minus 1 plus c into e power minus x square. So this is the general solution of the given differential equation. Okay, so here it is.